Hi guys, before I could start the video, let me tell you, I am not very used to take all these long videos and I might not look very presentable or I might not look like other YouTubers, but please remember that I am coming here only to discuss the job, and if I'm not looking presentable or if I'm not looking like other HRs or other YouTubers, please bear with me, because my major intention is only to give this information and get you a job, right? Let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I know there were a lot of people waiting for job updates, but between all this, I was not keeping well. I had some emergency medications and everything. Thank you so much for understanding and waiting for the next video. So there were so many people waiting for the video, and I have a very good requirement. I should not forget any points, so I started writing and keeping to explain you guys. So once again, thank you so much for waiting and dropping here my Instagram ID. If you have anything to talk, or if you have any doubts related to job in Bangalore, be it any language people, please contact on this Instagram ID. I might reply late because I have ample messages coming in, but this is my Instagram ID for you guys to contact me. Okay, so let's get into the video. So we have an opening now, and this is like first come first serve kind of thing, right? So the company is StarTech. Most of the people might be knowing the company is StarTech. So we will go step by step. We have 4 steps to discuss on this. The first one is the process. What process are we going to do? The second one is criteria. Fine, I can do this process, so I should be eligible. What are the criteria, right? The third one will be the most important part for you guys, which is salary, right? Everybody needs a good salary, and that is why you're watching my entire video, right? I know, otherwise it's going to be boring. And the last one will be the interview rounds. Just give you a brief about what are the interview rounds. Fine, let's go step by step. And if I have anything to write or type and show, I'll be putting on this side. Today I'm not standing and taking a video, I'm sitting and taking because I need some rest. I was not keeping well, as I said. So let us get into the video. So as I said, this is a StarTech company. You know what is a StarTech company? You can just check in Google what StarTech company is if you guys do not know. And I'm not adding any image of the company here because that will not go right. And the process is the chat process. There are so many people who's wanting non-voice, and this is for you all. And right now I'm telling you, it's not just you who should watch the video. Please share this video to anybody and everybody whom you know is looking for a job, or they will be looking for a job ahead. They can subscribe to this channel because I will be giving regular updates and clean, crisp information about the job. Not just a 60-second video. I'm making a long video, spending my time so that you understand everything. Okay, so this is a chat process, and we have openings in StarTech. And talking about the shift now, very important, we have rotational shift and rotational off. So when I say rotational shift and rotational off, it's not like a fixed timing. You do not have a fixed timing of 9 to 5 or 1 to 10. You do not have that timing. You'll have 1 week you'll have 1 to 10, the next week you'll have 4 to 12, the next week you'll have 9 to 7. So you have different shifts. 9 to 7 was just a word, okay? Don't calculate. So you'll have different shifts maybe every 3 months or every 1 month or every week. Okay, it depends on the company. And your week offs are also rotational. So when I say week offs are rotational, it is not a fixed week off. You will not have Saturday and Sunday fixed week off. Rather, you will have a week off which is on Monday and Tuesday, and then upcoming week you'll work on Monday and Tuesday, but you'll have your leave on Thursday and Friday. So mixing the leaves in all the days are called rotational leaves. Okay, rotational offs. Fine. So I hope the first part what I wrote and kept is clear, and major part is that this is not a work from home and this is a work from office. Nobody is having a work from home right now. Hardly companies have work from home. Okay, the first part about the company and the process is done. Okay, now getting into the second part. The second part is the criteria. Eligibility. Okay, everything looks good. So what are the eligibility? Okay, so you must have 1 year experience in international contact center, which means you must have relevant experience in emails and chat process. Fine. If earlier you had some experience in emails and chat process, you can definitely apply for this role. So we are looking for candidates who have 1 year experience in emails and chats. Okay, And the education, so this is a very interesting part. Many people ask me if there are work for, can we apply if we are having only PUC, if we are having only graduation and not MBA. So for this process we are taking an education mix of people, which means 60% we are taking graduates and 40% we are taking undergraduates. So both of you all have the chance to apply for this. So if you are completed with PUC, please apply. And if you are a graduated with experience, please apply. We are taking a mix of candidates. And we need excellent English communication. Yes, I thought I was reading it wrong. We need excellent English communication, which means we have a Version score verification. We check a Version score. And I will drop in a video about what Version score is. A long video if you need, but I'll tell it short. Many people do not know what Version score is. Version score is nothing but we evaluating how good English you speak. So we are all non-English speakers, right? These are like non-English native speaker. Native language means we are not born and brought up speaking English. We are speaking Malayalam, Tulu, Kannada, Urdu, and coming to English. English will be our first language. So Version check is for people like us. They will check your pronunciation, your fluency, your vocabulary, your grammar, your comprehension, the way you speak, the way you add sentences, the way you stop. So the way you write, the way you put punctuations, everything will count on your Version check. So that is why we tell we need people with very good English communication. Fine. So these 4 things are the criteria. So as I said, it's the experience and the English majorly and your qualification, PU or degree. Anything is fine. We will take mix of candidates. So the criteria, the second part is done. I'm making it very, very quick because I'll give if you need any, long videos regarding what is a Version check or anything, Version score or anything, please let me know. I'll make a video on it. Coming to the most interesting part for you guys is the salary details. Okay. So the maximum CTC will be 36,000, which is really, really good. Personally for me, I work in a chat and non-voice process. I've come through many different processes. I feel that for chat and emails and chat process and all, 36,000 CTC is really good, and take home will be 30,000 is what they have mentioned. They are paying really good, guys. You can try for this. And anybody who's having 2+ years of experience in the relevant field will have the highest CTC. Okay, will have the highest CTC. Anybody with less than that 2 years experience, the salary will be based on the interview which you give. So on the interview, what are we seeing? What are we checking? English communication. Okay, and please don't forget it. And the final thing what we are talking about is the interview rounds. We have only 2 interview rounds, which is the HR round and operational round. I know this will be very easy for you to crack, but in order to crack this, we will check your Version score. Again, I'm telling you again, if you need a long video on what Version score is, please comment down and I'll make it, because a lot of people miss out on the Version and the communication and everything, and you will lose it. But you will have good experience, you will have 5 years experience, you will have good communication, but you will not know where to put the grammar, vocabulary, comprehensions, how to talk, so when it comes to this, you will mess up. So if you need a small brief about all these, how to crack an interview, basic tricks and basic communication methods, what is a Version score, how do we had comprehensions, how do we had grammar, please comment down and I'll be making a video on this. So that is all, guys. Please remember, 36,000 CTC is really, really big. And if anybody wants to apply for this role, I'll be putting the number on my description. You can call him directly. That is one part. And the second part is, this is my Instagram. Please follow me here and drop me a text. And I will try to give you the number there also. You please do not go text him on WhatsApp and disturb. You can only call him, and you keep calling him until he receives. He will definitely receive, and he will not put your call on hold, or he's not putting your call. He'll not miss your calls and stuff. They are also looking for candidates, and we will always keep good candidates with us. We will give them the bestest of the bestest in the world. Okay, and we are not charging any 1 rupee. Also, this is very, very major thing that I wanted to say. We charge 0. And the office is in Jayanagar, Bengaluru. You can put Bangalore Job Hub, Jayanagar, Bangalore, and you can put the Google map and go to the office for direct interview if you need. If you're very confident in walking in, please go that way. Fine. I hope everything is clear, and we have more another 5 to 6 openings now for voice and non-voice. I will be coming back with the video just because I was not keeping well. I needed some rest, and I am recovering slowly. And thank you so much for watching the video for so long. So this was series 3. I forgot to say series 2 or okay, this was series 2. So I'll come back with series 3. Until then, signing off, Stina. Thank you.